Welcome to God's Kids channel. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos.
Whoa, look at that train, Lulu. It has a face, and it's smiling at us. Greetings, young adventurers. I am Professor Puff, the magic ABC train. Ready for an alphabet adventure? Yes. Then hop aboard. Let's go to the next stop. Letter A land. Look, Timmy. Apples. So many of them. And they have faces. Hello. We're amazing apples. And A is for apple. That's right. Say it with me. A is for apple. A is for apple. Let's go to the next stop. Bouncy B land. Wow, everything here is bouncy. And look, the balls have B on them. Hi, friends. B is for ball. Want to bounce with us? Haha, B is for ball. Let's say it together. B is for ball. Time for the sea castle. Hold on tight. It's a castle made of cubes. And look at those cats and crowns. Welcome to Sea Castle. Here, C is for cat, crown, and castle. Fantastic. Say it with me. C is for cat, crown, and castle. C is for cat, crown, and castle. Get ready to dance with D. D is for dance. Let's boogie. This is so much fun. Let's do it together. D is for dance. D is for dance. Up next, an energizing experience. Ooh, look at the glowing trees. It feels like magic. Welcome, friends. E is for energy. Touch a leaf and you'll get a boost of energy. Whoa, I feel so fast. Because E is for energy. Say it loud. E is for energy. And now, back to the station for your ABC certificate. You did it. You learned A, B, C, D, and E. That was the best adventure ever. Can we do the rest of the alphabet next time? Absolutely. The magic ABC train is always ready for more. The end.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your friends.